So let us understand about the find and replace tool. So first things first, find and replace tool is a very good way on how we can try to search for certain words within the document and try to replace it with some new stuff. So let us understand on how this can be done. So when we enter into the find and replace tool, we get this navigation pane which is usually on the left side of the document. You will find the option to basically enter a particular word and search for it. So in the document, throughout the document, you will be finding the results. So if there are 2 results, 5 results or 10 results, it will all show all the points and places where the results are found. Further to that, I can even choose to replace them with some other words or maybe other characters. So this is possible all with the find and replace tool. Considering the review tab now. So the review tab is another tab in the ribbon of Microsoft Word wherein we can basically use this in order to maybe try to proof our document. So proofing is a technique wherein we look for all the mistakes in the document. So we can find a proofing tool within the review tab. Apart from that, you will also find the different other tools like comments, translation, or even to track the different changes that have been done in Microsoft Word. Earlier, Microsoft Word used to be a document that could be only on a standalone PC, but now we can even collaborate. We can even ask others to contribute to our document. Within the review tab, now we can find the spelling and grammar. So the spelling and grammar checker or the spelling and grammar tool is basically a way on how I can proof my document. Microsoft Word will go through the entire document and search for certain characters or certain words that are maybe or maybe misspelled or maybe having some different grammatical errors. This will be done when you actually enter into spelling and grammar. Earlier versions of Microsoft Word used to basically give us a dialog box wherein I could look for the certain characters which are underlined or which are marked red. This means that there has been some spelling errors in those words. Or apart from that, you could also look at the grammatical errors which are marked in blue. Now, in the newer versions of Microsoft Word, we get this proofing pane which usually appears on the right of Microsoft Word. However, you can move it around wherever you want it. But the spelling and grammar checker helps you in looking for the word and understanding that what do you want to replace it with. So this is possible by even using the shortcut key that is F7. Further to this, Microsoft Word also helps us with the AutoCorrect feature. Now the AutoCorrect is a tool that is not only present in Microsoft Word but throughout the Microsoft Office suite. Understanding the AutoCorrect tool is basically when you try to type a word and mistakenly you misspell it without even understanding that you have misspelled it. Microsoft Word basically converts it into the right word itself. Now this is possible with the AutoCorrect feature which can be accessed from the options of the Microsoft Word. Now you can access it by going to the File tab and choosing Options and Proofing. In this, you can choose any options among these. So by default, you will see that all the options like show correct, autocorrect option, buttons, correct 2 initial capitals back to a normal character, capitalize the first letter of sentences, and you can even understand all the types of words that have been written within this, mentioned within this, that is coming directly from Microsoft Office, so you don't have to worry about it. Apart from that, if you want to replace some words, you can do that by entering the different words within the replace text box and replace it with the newer word within the with text box. And once you set it as OK, the same can be seen whenever you type. So we are going to make use of these features and look into how we can make use of all these features in Microsoft Word. So here I am in Microsoft Word and we have a certain group of text, a certain group of paragraphs that are available here. I will just try to increase the size here. Here we go. So now that it is easy for me to see, I can see that Microsoft Word has given me some red lines. You have these red squiggly lines just below these, and you can understand that if you look carefully, they are misspelled words. And Microsoft Word's spelling and grammatical checker is already doing the job of scanning the entire document and then understanding where it has actually found the spelling mistakes. So let us try to make the corrections. Now I can manually go to the line, go to the word, and I can basically choose to correct it. Okay, now if I do not really understand which word was this exactly, I can simply right click on it. It will give me the correct word. So I will just click on it. Further to this, if I want to basically change the rest of the document and I want a particular tool in order to scan the entire document and then find out what are the grammatical errors or spelling mistakes, then I can go to my review tab and I can click on the spelling and grammar checker or F7 as a shortcut key. So here I have the proofing. So I'll just take this out, keep it here. Perfect. Now I can either choose to add it to dictionary if the word is something that I will be using constantly in my word, or basically something that is common to me but uncommon to Microsoft Word. So I can choose it to add to dictionary, so it will ignore the spelling mistake.